Hello and welcome to Zion Foodtrucks. Today we have another very special truck leaving us. This one is actually going to make African food. They are from Senegal in Africa. So a little bit of French influence and well, African food. This truck is fairly simple in construction in that it doesn't have a lot of equipment, but it's quite beautifully made, if I may say so. The floor, as always, is aluminum diamond plate. There's a refrigerator, fryer with a fryer guard, as you can see. Grill, char broiler. African food in general involves a lot of grilling of meat, and a 2-burner stove. On top is the hood, in this case 6 foot. There is a little bit of an overhang, as you can see, 6 inches as is required by code. We left a little bit of space here in case the customer decides to add something else. Of course, it has fire suppression system, and so in this case, as with all our equipment, all our trucks and trailers, this one too has all the wiring in conduits, and every single piece of equipment here, electrical equipment, has its own breaker. Fire suppression system, of course, that's the pull handle. That's the ABC fire extinguisher. K series fire extinguisher is somewhere, we'll find it. A little freezer here, chest freezer that is. And it's a self-closing window. Idea is you lift up, pass your product, and it closes by itself. Keeps the bugs out. Also required by code. It's a shelf. You can see something here. Between every panels, there is a trim. Idea is that any grease, it's not going to go inside between and start smelling. Every piece of equipment screwed down to the floor with washers. Things that are a little taller, like a refrigerator, also bolted to the wall. Inside the wall is 1 inch of insulation, 1 inch of plywood. 3-compartment sink, hand wash sink. Hand wash sink has a splash guard as well, water heater, towel dispenser, soap dispenser, another shelf. Oh, this one's actually here in Denver. So Denver has a new code. They require carbon monoxide alarm. That is a propane alarm. Propane is heavy, so it sings. That's why it is there for. Propane alarm and a smoke alarm or a carbon dioxide alarm. We comply with every code. Let's go outside and see. This used to be a FedEx truck, and yeah, so it had that FedEx logo outside. So we did a few things to it. Like, for example, we actually had it repainted. Check out the beautiful graphics on this. It's repainted white. That is an outside shelf which can be removed. We also painted the wheels. That's how you fill water. That's how you drain water. Check out the cool graphics on this truck. Outside LED lights. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful food truck. If you have any questions, please contact us through our website, designfoodtrucks.com, or through our phone number 720-209-265. Thank you. Have a nice day.